Hello everyone. In my last videos of a bullet striking the wall, I received a comment on how to create a geometry in LSPP. I'll be showing you the creation of geometry and meshing this time. For this, select Element and Mesh tool and then select 2D Mesher. There appears a window. Click and drag the window with the left mouse button to the center. Start by creating the points. Toggle in the key in option and then we have 0 0 in x and y. Start with the origin, the length being 35, create a point, the radius being 6.35 mm, create another point and right above the origin as well. Create another point which serves as the front part of the bullet. So, after creating the points, click on the SN button, which automatically brings up the points that we have created to the center. It actually zooms in. So, click on the line and by taking the points, clicking the points, create the lines. Let us give the curvature or the arc profile. This option is we can create the arc by using the center point as the first selection and the next 2 points which create the profile. Select the center arc first and then create the arc. After creating the geometry, we will now move on to the meshing part, starting with the creation of edges. Create. Okay, everything is now created. The number of elements that are to be there on a single edge can be given by selecting number of elements per edge. Since the radius of the bullet is 6.35 mm, I would like to give the number of elements per edge to be 6. Give it for the arc profile also. The length of the bullet being 35 mm, I would like to take 35 elements along the edge. And click apply. The meshing part is by selecting 3 edges we can mesh the profile. Accept it. See, whatever we have done on the 2D Mesher window, that is depicted on the main window as well. Now, the rectangle portion of the profile can be meshed by selecting meshing by selecting 4 edges. Select, accept it. Exit the window. We have the mesh of the profile. It is now important, or we can do the revolution of the meshed profile by selecting element generation. Toggle the beam to solid and we have to now select solid by shell spin. The angle we would like to rotate is 360 degrees and as the length of the bullet is 35 mm, and the elements around the quarter circle is 6 elements. A total of 41 segments can be created. The position or the node around which the revolution is to be taken place can be selected either from this point or at this point. Let me select this point and click done. Okay, now the direction of rotation is around the x direction. So give the x direction as 1. By selecting the area option and by part, select the total profile. Now click the create option. Accept it. Here is the profile and the geometry, mesh to geometry as well. For the time being, I'll toggle off the shape group and the profile that has been created first. We can check the element, how the elements have been meshed through blank option. See how the elements have been meshed. It seems good to me, and this is how a geometry can be created and meshed as well. Thank you.